Coach Julio again, and hopefully you can hear me. I'm just going to get on my soapbox for a little bit and share with you 1 to 2 of my pet peeves in the gym, and this is strictly for safety to try to optimize your results. So the first thing I see in the gym a lot when individuals are doing either squats, barbell, or deadlifts, I see a lot of head turning when they're doing not just a body weight movement, but a movement with load, and this is not good for your neck. So for example, if I'm deadlifting, you want to try to keep a neutral neck down rather than extending your neck. And secondly, this is even worse, so I'm looking sideways. Hey, how you doing? You know, I don't highly recommend that. And obviously, if you're doing a squat too, it's a front squat. How's my form? I understand the part about form. You're better off looking at the mirror than sideways. So that's part one. Or ask your friend or an individual who's working at the gym to check out your form. Next thing is when we're doing chest press, I don't recommend keeping your head off the bench. I give you an example for the incline. So I go up, your head should be supported. Try not to do this. Hey, how you doing? I look great. So when you're doing that, that's undue stress on your neck is all I'm getting at. Just trying to be of service to you and trying to save your neck and optimize your time. That's it.